Good morning, guys. This is a new video session on CSS. So, in this tutorial, we will learn CSS introduction, what is CSS, why we use CSS, when CSS is came, and why learn the CSS, what is CSS, advantages of CSS, and CSS origin, CSS history. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, first, this is a new video session on CSS. CSS. So CSS, the latest version is CSS 3. 3 is the latest version. So we are using 3 in every web development. So CSS 3 is the latest version. Next, what is CSS? What is CSS? So CSS is stands for cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet mechanism. So cascading style sheet mechanism is nothing but CSS. So we can call it as a CSS. It is a style sheet language. It is used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML. So what is CSS? CSS is a style sheet language. It is used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML. And so that is CSS. So CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Next, CSS. Why CSS is used? Why CSS? Why CSS is used? Why CSS is used? CSS is used to control style sheet of a web document. It is used to control style of a web document. Style of web document. And in a simple and easy way. So CSS is used to control the web document in easy way, in simple and easy way. And why CSS? Why CSS? Why CSS? So CSS is used to apply the styles of a document to to visualize the code, or to give the more importance, like to make your document more colorful. We can use the CSS. We can use CSS. So this CSS adds styles to the HTML, and in that, why CSS means, so in order to visualize your document, to create a stunning web pages, we use CSS. And here, cascading means inheriting. Cascading means inheriting. Inheriting is nothing but a rendering of a text. Rendering of a text. So inheriting is a rendering of a text. A rendering of text. And style means style means collection of a properties. Styles means collection of properties. So style means collection of a properties. Why CSS? CSS is gives a visual hierarchy, that is to add more colors, to add styles your document. We use CSS. Cascading stands for inheriting. Inheriting is a rendering of a text, a rendering of a text, and style is a collection of properties. So cascading means inheriting styles from one section to another section. Inheriting styles from one section to another section. That is nothing but cascading. And style sheet. So style is a global attribute. Style is a global attribute. It supports collection of properties. It supports collection of properties. And sheet indicates sheet is stands for, we can save the file with .css. .css file extensions is nothing but sheet. So cascading style sheet means inheriting styles from one section to another section. Style is a combination of properties, collection of properties. Sheet is nothing but .css file extension. So that is CSS. Next, why? Why learn CSS? Why learn CSS? Why we learn CSS means to create a stunning web pages, to create stunning websites. We can handle, the CSS can handle look and feel of your web page. So it will handle the look and feel part of web page. That's why we can learn CSS. And also, if you want to become a professional, if you want to become a professional web designer, you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So this HTML, CSS will give full control on the web page, full control on the web page. That's why we learn CSS. Why we learn CSS? To create a stunning web pages, stunning web pages, and CSS can handle the look and feel of our website. So CSS can handle the look and feel of our website. So that's why we learn CSS. So this is a brief introduction of CSS, and next we'll go for